KUN Modular all-in-one multifunction cooker is a culinary marvel that combines versatility and innovation. Let's explore its features. Intelligent cooking platform. The KUN Modular cooker seamlessly integrates an air stove, an oven, and a multifunctional cooking pot. Its bottom heating platform can be customized with various cooking accessories, allowing you to create a myriad of combinations for steaming, frying, baking, and more. Say goodbye to culinary limitations. App and NFC control. Control your cooking experience effortlessly using the companion app or near-field communication technology. Adjust settings, monitor progress, and explore recipes, all at your fingertips. Dual LED lights. Illuminate your culinary creations with precision. The KUN cooker features dual LED lights, ensuring you never miss a detail while preparing your favorite dishes. Adjustable temperature. Whether you're simmering a delicate sauce or searing a steak, the KUN cooker's adjustable temperature range from 35 degrees Celsius to 220 degrees Celsius caters to your culinary needs. Large capacity, perfect for family meals. This cooker boasts ample space for your culinary adventures. Prepare hearty stews, delicate desserts, and everything in between. Flat cast iron heating plate. The 1800 watts flat cast iron heating plate accommodates various cookware, pans, casseroles, and flat bottom frying pans. Versatility meets efficiency. Here are some of the pros and cons of the KUN. Pros: versatility, convenience, healthier cooking options. Cons: limited availability, unfamiliar brand, limited reviews, learning curve. Overall, the KUN cooker presents an interesting concept for those seeking a space-saving and versatile kitchen appliance. However, the lack of extensive reviews, potential limitations due to its crowdfunding nature, and the learning curve associated with its modular design necessitate careful consideration before making a purchase. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.